catch 'em all.
Hey guys, Sam here, and today I'll be showing you 2 Season 11 Ninjago staff for spinjitzu, and for an extra with the staff, aspheera. So let's take a look at the staffs. First off is the fire one that you get in the fire fang set. So I use this long blade piece. I think it's for Lord of the Rings, I don't know. And then you use a gold lightsaber hilt. Before you do that, you get a red brick, circular brick, a gold stud with a hole in it, as you can see. And you stick it upside down, push it round about there. You can see the point there. And then stick the gold hilt like that. Now that's a fire one. Here's the one that the Ice Emperor uses. So of course it's the same staff piece and the gold hilt. Then of course for this one, because it's ice, transparent blue round brick with the gold stud. Stick it in like that. Gold hilt. Stick it in like that. And you can use this for your, if you have to set your forbidden spinjitzu in. I got it from the slammer, the spinjitzu slam sets. So you can use it on that to give him the power. And then, like I said, my custom aspheera. So of course you use Flammer's tail, fire headgear, and his face. I use it also for the next one. I used the armour. And then the body is from the Atlantis set from Aquaman from DC. And then I just use gold hands because that's what she uses on the actual set. And then for a little extra, I added this circular piece. So once you've done that, you can have your staff of forbidden spinjitzu and Zane or whoever to battle. If you like my custom aspheera and 2 forbidden spinjitzu staffs, please like, subscribe and comment which one of the staffs is your favourite. So that's all from me. Bye.